All right, so this is the first target question in the week 1 handout, and it says, J's box prelude number 2 in C minor consists of 88 measures, with each measure containing 16 notes. In a typical performance, 432 notes are played every minute. So it's giving us a lot of rates here. How many seconds does it take to perform the entire prelude? All right, so like I said, lots of rates. The first thing it tells us is that it's 88 measures. So it's 88 measures, and then it also tells us that each measure has 16 notes. So there are 16 notes per measure. We can represent that. The word per means division. So there's 16 notes per measure. And so since 16 notes and one measure, they're kind of the same thing, we can multiply 88 measures by 16 notes per measure because it doesn't do anything. This is effectively just one. 16 notes is equal to one measure. But this way, the measures will cancel out. And so we can do that to find how many notes are in those 88 measures. This is called a conversion factor. So in a typical performance, there are 432 notes played every minute. Well, this is another rate that we can use as a conversion factor. Every minute, there are 432 notes. And so now the notes will cancel out. And so this will tell us how many minutes it takes to play those 88 measures. And so finally, it's asking for how many seconds it takes. So we want to make our answer in seconds, not in minutes. So we know that in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds, 60 seconds per minute. So this calculation will give us our total it'll give us our answer. And this is a target round question. So you can use a calculator, although you could totally do this without one. But for the essence of time, I'm going to plug this into my calculator. And we get 88 times 16. Remember, the nice thing about this is all these units, they cancel out, and we're left with our answer in seconds, which is exactly what it's asking for. So it's 88 times 16 divided by 432 times 60, which is 195.555 repeated. So we're going to round that to the nearest second to get 196 seconds.